What is the difference between rank 1 holder in NIFT and rank 1000 holder? Any guesses? Is it artistic skills or is it knowledge? No, it is the strategy behind it. Welcome to Ignite India. This is Farheen and today we will be getting to know all about NIFT exam pattern 2021 and 22, and at the end I'll be telling you some strategies for NIFT exam. So basically, we all know NIFT stands for National Institute of Fashion Technology. This exam happens in the month of January. Only this year it happened in month of February, obviously because of this coronavirus. We hate it. So I was talking about NIFT exam pattern. Qualifying for NIFT requires clearing 2 examinations. First, written exam, second, practicals. First one, written exam, consists of 2 papers, GAT and CAT. GAT stands for General Ability Test and CAT stands for Creative Ability Test. And the second round, which is the practicals, its name is Situation Test, or in simple words we can say Model Making Test. Here they basically test how much good you are in material handling. So let's talk about GAT and CAT first. This exam happens in the same day, like one after other. It's really tiring, trust me. So the GAT exam tests about your general knowledge, basic maths, English and logical reasoning, whereas CAT tests your sketching abilities, observation skills, creativity, approach to questions, color theory and much more. GAT is a 2 hours examination and CAT is a 3 hours examination. And this whole 5-hour examination happens in the same day with just some break for lunch. That's it. I'm not trying to scare you, but it's like you can do it because with the pressure of exam, everybody does. Okay, so let us now discuss about the topics and segregation of marks in GAT exam. GAT holds 30% of the weightage in NIFT exam. It is a 100 marks examination where questions are based on 4 topics: quantitative ability or basic maths, English, logic, general knowledge. So the first one, which is quantitative ability test, it includes basic maths and has 20 questions, each 1 mark. And secondly comes communication ability test, which comes under English category. It includes grammar and has 25 questions, 1 mark each. And second portion in English, it includes English comprehension, which has passage reading and answering questions from it. This section is of 25 marks but can have more than 25 questions. So the third one is analytical ability test, which includes logical reasoning and has 15 questions, 1 mark each. So the fourth one is general knowledge, which includes all Indian fashion related news and brands, all important current affairs, and has 15 questions, 1 mark each. Here, GAT exam has negative marks as well. For 1 wrong, 0.25 marks will be deducted. That is, if you make 4 wrongs, 1 mark will be reduced. Coming to the CAT, this holds 50% of the weightage in NIFT exam. This paper includes 3 questions. First 2 questions are of 30 plus 30, 60 marks, and the last question is of 40 marks. Here the questions are pretty unpredictable. The questions usually test your creativity, your color sense, proportion and many other things like you'll get to know when you get into this. But yeah, so moving on, let's jump to the second exam, which is the practicals, and its name is Situation Test. This exam holds 20% of the weightage in NIFT exam. Here there are 2 questions with different topics and each question has 2 or 3 options given. You need to choose any one of the question and from that any one option. So basically you need to do only one question in exam, like one model. And this model making exam judges your material handling and, as the name suggests, handling a situation. Here you will be provided with bunch of materials and you need to use only that to create your model. Here also the questions are unpredictable. It can be related to product designing, memento designing, fashion designing, space designing, futuristic designing, and many more. And with this, we have covered the exam pattern of NEFT examination. Now, as I told you, we will be discussing about some strategies for NEFT exam. Number 1, focus more on your cat. I'm not talking about the cats which are cute and sometimes irritating also. Okay, we are going off track. I was telling focus more on your cat exam. Develop good knowledge in your color theory, your hand skills in sketching, time management in sketching and coloring, as this is the portion of exam which will give you maximum marks as it holds 50% of the weightage. During CAT exam, always start with the question you are very confident about or with the 40 marks question. Never leave the 40 marks question at last. It may put you in a very bad situation, like you will cry at the end. So just never attempt the 40 marks question at last. Number 2, for GAT, always start with GK, then maths, then logic, and at the end, English. If you don't know a question, skip it. Never waste a single second for any question which you don't know, as you can always come back, just keep it for last. Remember, 0 is better than negative marks, so try to avoid questions which you don't know. For further doubts, you can always contact us on the number provided. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you are a new student, and hit the bell icon for new live classes and new informative videos. Thank you for your patience and watching the video.